Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to book a flight on trip.com. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even the trip.com deals for 2025. Without further ado, let's begin. Trip.com is a global online travel service that lets you book flights, hotels, trains, and car rentals with ease. It is convenient, secure, and offers competitive deals to help travelers plan trips worldwide. First, go to your browser and search for trip.com in the search bar. Now, visit the trip.com website through your browser. On the left panel, you will find different options. Then, click on Flights. Choose whether you need a return, one-way, or multi-city flight. For example, if you want to select one-way, mark a dot on it. Next, type in the city you are leaving from and select it. Then, type in the country or city you are going to and select it. Now, choose your travel dates. After that, select the number of travelers, including adults and children. Pick the cabin class, such as economy, premium economy, business, or first class. Once everything is selected, click on Search. Scroll down to view all available flights. Now, click on the Select button of any flight to see more details. Check the baggage options and review all the flight details carefully. By clicking on Others, it will show you the baggage allowance and policies. Then, click on Continue to proceed. Here, you need to enter your personal details, such as your full name, select your country, gender, and date of birth. You can enter your contact details, such as your contact name, email address, and mobile phone number. Lastly, read the baggage allowance carefully to book a flight on trip.com. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even the trip.com deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.